Well, guys, if this is an old road, I don't know what is. But it goes like that all the way down to that road, and it keeps going straight up that line. Perfect. Right in a straight line. Signs are there. You just gotta find them. Alright guys, so I'm at a new site. You kind of see the cellar hole up there a little ways. But I just dug a mason jar lid. Then I pulled this giant piece of glass out, and it says mason jar patented November 30th, 1858. So who knows what we're going to find here. It's kind of weird. It's right at the bottom of this hillside. But there's another one up about a half mile that way that I was checking on. I couldn't find it, but I'm still looking. Alright guys, I'll get with you on the first good target. That was just a mason jar lid, wasn't nothing special. Alright guys, so I got this. I think it's a cold cream, it says. I can't really read the name on there. I have to take it home and clean it up more. Look, it's got a cool design on it and everything. It's fancy dancy. So, yeah, there we go. It says, I think it says cold cream on there. It's just an old lid, but it's aluminum. It's pretty cool. Like I said, it's got design on it. So, alright guys, on to the next. Alright guys, so I'm out at that foundation I was at yesterday. And I just pulled this. So that button I got wasn't Civil War. It's Indian War, post-Civil War, but close enough. And I'll put a picture of it up right up here. But it's probably the best button I've ever gotten. Most gilt on it for sure. But yeah, it's after the Civil War, so I still got to keep hunting for that Civil War relic. I'll get back with you guys on the next video. We're at 492 subscribers right now. 8 more, and I'm doing a big giveaway, so keep an eye out for it. I got a bag, a Predator Digger's hand tool, a few other things, brushes and whatnot. I got a whole bunch of stuff in the bag, finds box and whatnot. So we'll get back with you on the next video. Look at all the gold gilt still on that thing. Holy moly. We've been digging a lot of bullets, so I haven't been videoing anything. But this was about the same numbers. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Sweet. Alright, catch you guys on the next signal. Alright, guys, so I don't know if you can see what I can see down there underneath that root. But to me, that looks like a pocket watch. Alright, hold on 1 second. I'm going to go back and we're going to dig this super live. I'm going to get the tripod out and use the tripod. Give me 1 minute. Alright guys, here we go. We're digging. Oh, there's a whole knot of roots up in here. See if I can get out over here. Okay. Okay, keep digging, keep digging. Oh, it's buried in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Another whole one. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. No inside still. but we might be able to find something out about this one. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, we're going to keep digging. For all I know, this is Civil War era like the button I pulled yesterday. So we are cooking with gas over here. I will get back with you on the next signal. Alright guys, so we're at a new site from the Civil War button site. I pulled that pocket watch out of there, and I figured, you know what? I'm going to let it marinate for a little while, and I'm going to come out to this one. I've been to this one once. I dug a Dodge, like Model T era hub cover just up there underneath that pine tree. There's some huge trees. But this is a nice little cellar hole right here. Not very big, but I started the line from the truck. And I just got me something good. Second target, first target was a chunk of some kind of aluminum. I don't know, it looks cool. It's got a little star on it. But I just dug this. It's a button. So, let's see. Ooh, it says something on there too. Fair and square RHC, I think. But it's a button. It looks fairly old. So this place was on the 1915 map. We'll keep swinging. I got a lot of open ground to swing, so we'll see what we can't get. Catch you on the next one. All right, guys, so judging from this, it's got to be pretty old. It only goes up to 50 miles an hour, but it says Ford. It says standard speedometer. The instrument permanent accuracy. The instrument of permanent accuracy. Standard. There's some of a patent number on there. The rest is broke off. But from the looks of it, this bad boy's old. Like the universal car. I've never seen a Ford emblem like that before either. It's insane. This is cool. This spot I'm at is an old spot. So I'm going to keep swinging. I'm sure there's going to be something good here, but that was pretty cool, I thought. All right, guys, on to the next signal. All right, guys, so this come up in the 70s. Oh, it's just a memorial. Dang it. Oh, well. On to the next one. Oh, man. Whoa. I can't believe it. Wow, guys. That is awesome. I didn't take 20. You know how many times I've walked by this signal? I can't believe it. That is awesome. Second barber.